Hi everyone, Dee Hendricks, Clinical Specialist with Planmeca USA. Today's video, Contralateral from Design Tooth. When doing a contralateral from design, you want to go ahead and design the first tooth that you're working on. In this video we are working on tooth number 8, so I went ahead and designed tooth number 8. Now we want to use tooth number 8 and put the contralateral of 8 onto 9. So I'm going to go back to my library, click tooth number 9, and then I want to hit contralateral, which then forms tooth number 9 to look like tooth number 8. And now you can go through the design processing tools in order to finish designing both crowns. Thanks for tuning in for today's video, Contralateral from Design.